a place where nature, history, and fate intertwine effortlessly. Sometimes the most powerful reminders of Allah's greatness are found in nature. The way a single flower grows in a place where nothing should survive. The way water carves its path through rocks. And the way mountains stand unmoved by time. It's a place where every stone and every wave, every breeze whispers a lesson. Be still, trust the process, and know that Allah is guiding us.
The story of Mirza, he is Iranian person and he came here from Iran before many years back to study. Because there was a lot of scientists used to live inside the village. So he stayed here for a while. Now before he died, he told them to bury his dead body here. So his grave in the houses is more than 300 years and most of them are still standing. There is 4 gates in the wall and they all call it As-Sabah. As-Sabah in Arabic language, as you know, means the morning. هذا بعد بتحتاج انه
الصيانة.
ايه.
Some places hold stories in their walls, and Nizwa is one of them. The wisdom in an elder's hand. The rhythm of a craftsman shaping clay. It all speaks of patience, stillness, of a way of life unhurried by time.
Kijk, zie je de goat though?
Some places remind you how small you are, yet how deeply you belong. To me, the stillness of a mosque, the way it holds every whispered prayer, every silent reflection, it's a place where the heart returns, where the soul finds peace. Oman was not just a destination. It was a reminder that true beauty is found in faith, in stillness, in the way we pause to appreciate what is already around us. If you ever visit Oman, come with open eyes, an open heart. Let it slow you down and let it fill your soul.